I'm going to mend a hole in this shirt sleeve. See, it's on the elbow. Kind of a square hole where it's caught on something. Have some flannel bits here. I think this one. Going to cut out some heat and bond. And press. I'm going to lay it that way, I think it'll look better. I'm just going to press that on there. Alright, it's ready to Sashiko. First I'm going to secure the edges all the way around, and I think I'm going to do that with a blanket stitch. Not really a Sashiko stitch, but I'm going to use Sashiko thread. Okay, so I'm going to do that blanket stitch all the way around, then we'll come back and sort out what pattern to do. So here's my shirt that I'm mending. I've got the circle blanket stitch around the edge all done, and I've just used this little template, which is one of the just a really cheap packet of templates, but I'm getting a lot of use out of them, and put it on there, and I've just used an iron-off pen to mark. I had to use the white and the blue because they didn't show up very well, so I've got a combination there that I'll be able to see. I'm not sure why. I've noticed before when I've tried to mark flannel that for some reason it's hard to get the markings on. So I'm just going to go down each straight bit, and then I'll go around the edge afterwards. And depending what it looks like, I might just let, although I've drawn it in, I might just let the blanket stitch be the edge. So I'll do the center and then I'll see what I think. So I think that's going to look okay when I've done all the stitching. I'm just going to keep on going around and finish it off. Right, here is my shirt sleeve, all finished. And that's ready to wear.